It's your boy PK on another hiking experience. And as you know, the hiking continues. Yeah, we might put an extra on today's hiking because today we out in Harties, is Africa, located alongside the R560 in Hartebeespoort there. Yeah, it's a trail running event hosted by Wild Africa Experiences. So I decided to do the AK trail running. Even though I'm not running, I'm just walking. I'm having a great time. So let's see what this trail has in store for us. Let's do this, guys.
You're doing the 8K. You are following the yellow arrows like your color of your tag. There's also another key point. You know my boards are chromatic with yellow, with the arrows over there. It's 2 minutes to go. I think it's cold enough to say, are you okay if I start? Yes. All right, get your devices ready. When you come through and finish, your glue vine will be waiting for you. Awesome setup here. Bonfire's going, food down there, live music. So 9:45, we'll do the auctioning and everything. Okay, so please don't go home too early. Come and join us. It'll be a lekker warm morning in Africa.
Yeah. Oh, you probably wondering what this is. This is the salt for the wildlife. That because I remember seeing this at Olive Tree Farm. They put it for the wildlife. So yeah, it's the staple. They eat this. So, Miriam, how's it going?
Oh, awesome.
Awesome.
Amazing.
And what's your
amazing.
favorite part about it so far?
Scenery, the trees, and company. We're hoping to do 67 males and 67 females in a day.
Okay. Little umbrella. I ask, please, just if you can come up.
Running for spices. Let's see the spice.
$100.
Yeah, we did it. We conquered World Africa Experience, aka This is Africa, man. I had a great time. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get alerted when the next hiking video comes. Question is, what would that be? So take a look of what we're going to next time on the hiking experience. Until then, peace out. Next time on the hiking experience. Easter Kloof.
Beautiful, as you can see.
Beautiful.
Everything.
Very well.
Ne?
Such an awesome day today with Paku.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still going to the waterfall.